So I was looking on Adidas website and I saw a really fun looking pair of slides. I wanted to go ahead and get them immediately. So here is that video. We have the LIGHTBLAZE Slides. So here is a look at the slides. Comes with this thing as well. I don't know why they come with these little hang things. I think it's probably for certain retailers to be able to hang them on the walls instead of in the box. Anyways, here is a look at the slides. This is again the LIGHTBLAZE Slides featuring Light Strike in the midsole. And I think that this colorway specifically was really cool because you have those like off-centered 3 stripes that kind of come through the side panel of the shoe. And I really like that it's black with a contrasting white 3 stripes, and it extends down through the midsole. Best looking colorway in my opinion, but there are other colorways available if you're interested. Again, link in the description will take you over to Adidas site and you can cop your own pair. I was really interested because I thought it was a very sleek, fun looking new pair of slides. The retail is $40 on these, and the fit is the part that's always confusing. I did get a size 10. I usually like to go size 10 with Adidas slides. Since it does have an adjustable strap, I could probably go to a size 9 instead of a size 10. I will tell you the size 10 is a little bit big for my feet, but I honestly kind of like it. Like, I don't know why. I'd rather have it be a little bit larger and something I can adjust the strap and then also wear like socks and stuff than if I choose to just wear no socks. So if you don't want to wear socks and you have a little bit of a wider foot, since it does have an adjustable strap, you could just go down half a size, I'm assuming, but that's just my overall thoughts. But just a general overview of the slides, I like the overall look. You do have a little bit of sculpting on the midsole, just give it kind of like a sleek look to the sides. You have a little Adidas logo on the side here as well, but it's kind of like hidden on this pair because of the 3 stripes here. You also do have a logo on the bottom of the footbed and then also on the outsole. That's the best feature about these, in my opinion, the fact that you do have a Velcro. For those people that need a little bit more width in the top of their foot, like myself, I feel like it's a great option just to have a little bit of extra room where you can just adjust the strap. Now, the strap that comes up is made out of cloth, and then you have kind of a rubberized outside texture. The midsole foam extends only up to like this section right here, and then the rest of it is actually the synthetic material. So just to note, if you are trying to wear these in the water and stuff, this is not going to be your like water slides because it's not fully foam. This section right in here is definitely one that will absorb the water. So I just wanted to point that out. But overall, I think that the design looks really cool. I think that the midsole is nice and soft. You do have the light strike in here again. And then you do have a nice amount of traction pattern on the bottom of the outsole as well. So it's something that I was actually pretty impressed by just in general. I think that it looks good. It feels good. And it's just more stylish than some of the other pairs out there. And I do have this pair and a couple other pairs that I will do like a direct comparison video too, because there's like 3 or 4 different new versions of Adidas slides. This one is the first one that caught my eye. I have a couple more coming that I'll have a video on. But comparison to these, this is an all foam shoe. I would say that the Infinity slides are slightly more comfortable. They retail, I think, at 40 or 50, but you can get them on sale for like as low as 20 bucks from when I posted them the other week. It is all rubber though, so you can slide them on and get them wet and you won't have any issues with that. These are overall softer on feet as well. If you're looking for a softer, squishier experience, these are them. And again, wide feet friendly. These are extremely wide. So for those wide feet gang out there like myself, I think that this one is definitely one that you're going to like a little bit better potentially than the other one. I think after trying these on side by side, I have a little bit of a flatter foot. This is definitely more of my style of foot. This one had a little bit of a weird arc feel, like right through this section of my foot. But you know, once I loosened the strap a little bit, I was like, okay, these are actually pretty legit comfortable. However, side by side, I'm actually going to give it to the Infinity slides. I think these ones are better for my foot type. As for overall looks though and style, I would definitely give it to the LIGHTBLAZEs. I think that this is the best looking slide, hands down, from Adidas in quite a while. And again, this colorway, I really dig this one. Comfort wise though, I'd still go with the Infinities. But again, depending on your foot type, if you have a higher arc or you just have a narrower foot in general, I feel like this is a better option than the LIGHTBLAZE. Anyway, what they say on Adidas website for these slides, again, they're $40. The fit, they do say true to size, but of course I'm a half footer, so you could go down or up depending on what you're wanting. It says modern comfort slides with a molded footbed and adjustable strap. Slip into comfort with these Adidas slides. The light strike cushioning is ultra lightweight, making this pair perfect for days when you're on the go. A synthetic upper with an adjustable strap lets you find the right fit, while a textile lining provides a soft feel against your foot. The modern design is finished with a synthetic outsole offering grip you need. So some of these people do say that the size is a little bit too large. I would agree, it's just slightly too large, which is personally my preference, but it is what it is. Comfort-wise, people are saying it's like pretty darn comfortable, but not like the most comfortable. And then quality, people are saying it's pretty good quality. They do have a couple of other really nice colorways as well. The cream colorway looks nice, but I usually like just to get black slides in general. And just for comparison, I do have a pair of the LIGHTBLAZEs out here, and I can see that the midsole construction definitely has like that LIGHTBLAZE sort of shape. the way that you have the geometry of the midsole. So it is kind of like a nod to the LIGHTBLAZE shoe in the slide version. I don't know, this wasn't like a commercially successful pair though, and I feel like this could be a more successful pair than even the shoes are, depending on those people that are actually looking for a comfortable pair of slides. I do like the little slit here on the side for the ventilation. I think it looks really cool as well. But the geometry in the midsole definitely gives it a very sleek look in this slide. And it's not something that you definitely see from the shoe version. Like the sleek midsole and stuff is interesting on the shoes, but it looks, again, better on the slides. So that's just kind of my 2 cents. Is it worth buying? I would say yes. Overall, I like them at $40 as a retail. I'm sure they'll go on sale at some point as well. But for the summertime, I feel like this is a really strong contender. I will have a top 10 slides video overall, as well as a comparison to other Adidas slides. So subscribe to the channel and follow for more content. But I do think it is a great pair. I still think that I personally prefer the Infinity slides overall, just in general for myself. This pair fits really big though, so I went down a half size to a 9. And it's extremely wide. So I personally like it. I like the wide fit. Some people might not. And if you're one of those people, then this is going to be a really great option for you. Overall, though, Adidas is making some fun slides. They're kind of like the kings in the slide space with the Adilets. So it's fun to be able to see like the Light Strike in a pair of slides, and then, you know, whatever's in the Infinity. Like, these are super soft. So anyway, that's my 2 cents. Stay tuned for some more slide videos, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Have a good rest of the day. Subscribe if you guys are interested. And if you want to buy either pair of these slides that I'm showing you out here, I will link them in the description. Directly supports the channel when you guys do that. I can't thank you enough for anybody that uses those links in the description. But have a good rest of the day. Hopefully see you back on the channel for some more content. All right, peace, guys.